Hi Jamie, how have you been? You look a bit tired.
Hey Alex. I haven't been feeling great lately. I've been having headaches and some stomach issues.
I'm sorry to hear that. Have you seen a doctor about it?
Not yet. I thought it might just be stress from work, but it's been going on for a couple of weeks now.
It might be a good idea to get it checked out, just in case. Are you eating and sleeping well?
My sleep has been pretty irregular, and I haven't had much of an appetite. I think that's making things worse.
That could definitely be contributing. Maybe try setting a regular sleep schedule and eating balanced meals. It could help a bit.
Yeah, I should try that. I've also been thinking about starting some light exercise. Maybe it'll help with the stress and headaches.
That sounds like a good plan. Exercise can be really beneficial for both physical and mental health.
Thanks, Alex. I think I'll also book an appointment with my doctor, just to be sure.
That's a smart move. Let me know if you need any help with anything. No problem. I'm always here to help. Have you thought about any specific changes you might make to your routine?
I think I'll start with something simple, like going for a walk every day. I've read that fresh air and sunlight can really boost your mood.
That's a great start. Maybe you could also try some relaxation techniques, like meditation or deep breathing exercises.
Yeah, meditation is something I've been curious about. Have you tried it before?
I have, actually. It's been really helpful for me. I usually meditate for about 10 minutes every morning, and it helps me stay calm and focused throughout the day.
That sounds manageable. I'll look up some beginner meditation videos online.
Good idea. There are plenty of free resources available. How about your diet? Do you think changing your eating habits might help?
Definitely. I've been eating a lot of fast food lately because it's convenient, but I know I need to switch to healthier options.
Maybe start by preparing some simple meals at home. It doesn't have to be complicated. Even small changes, like adding more fruits and vegetables, can make a difference.
I could try meal prepping on weekends. That way, I'll have healthier options ready for the week.
That's a smart approach. It'll save you time and make it easier to stick to your goals.
I feel more motivated to make these changes now. Thanks for the encouragement.
Anytime, Jamie. I'm glad to hear that. Just remember to take things one step at a time and be patient with yourself.
I will. I'll start implementing these changes and see how it goes. Hopefully, I'll start feeling better soon.
I'm sure you will. And remember, if you ever need to talk or need more support, I'm just a call away.
Thanks, Alex. I really appreciate it. I'll keep you updated on how things progress.
Looking forward to hearing good news. Take care and talk soon. Hey Jamie. How are you feeling these days? Any improvements?
Hi Alex. I'm doing much better, thanks for asking. The headaches have decreased, and my stomach feels more settled.
That's great to hear. Did you make any specific changes that helped?
Yeah, I started with those daily walks, and I've been trying to stick to a more regular sleep schedule. It's really helped me feel more energized.
That's awesome. How about the meditation? Did you give it a try?
I did. I've been meditating every morning for about 10 minutes, just like you suggested. It's surprisingly calming.
I'm glad it's working for you. It can make a big difference, especially when dealing with stress.
Definitely. I also went to the doctor, just to make sure there was nothing serious going on. They said everything seems fine, but I should continue with these healthy habits.
That must be a relief. It's good to have that reassurance from a professional.
It really is. I also started meal prepping, and I've been eating a lot more vegetables and whole foods. I feel so much better physically.
That's fantastic. It's amazing how much our diet can impact how we feel.
I know, right? I didn't realize how much I was missing out on good nutrition. It's made a noticeable difference.
I'm really proud of you for making these changes. It's not easy, but you've done a great job.
Thanks, Alex. Your support really helped me get started. I couldn't have done it without your encouragement.
I'm just glad to see you doing better. Let's celebrate your progress with a healthy meal or something.
That sounds perfect. I'd love to. Let's plan something for this weekend.
Great. I'll find a nice spot where we can enjoy some good food and maybe a walk in the park afterward.
Sounds like a plan. Thanks again for being such a great friend, Alex.
Anytime, Jamie. I'm happy to help. See you this weekend.